My boyfriend left me after 8 years for her ex who abandoned her as a single mother. I don't even know where to start from. 8 years ago, I met my fiancé. She already had a little boy then. His biological father denied him from the beginning. The man carried the boy only once when he was a baby and disappeared. My girlfriend was badly depressed. She cried almost every night. People mocked her for being a single mother, and I stood by her. Even her own family was nowhere to be found, but I stood by her when everyone else has walked away from her life. I was the only one supporting her. I paid her rent when she was about to be evicted, and I helped her start a small business. I paid school fees, hospital bills, bought foodstuff, celebrated birthdays, and so many things. I even paid for therapy because she was struggling emotionally. We eventually did our introduction, and I believe we were already a family. She said she was traumatized by men and did not want any relationship with them. I had to wait for almost 3 years before we became intimate. Her son became my whole world. He called me daddy even before he could even pronounce my full name. Every morning I took him to school. Every evening I helped him with his homework, and I attended his PTA meetings. Every Saturday morning we usually go to the field together to go and jog. He would just be sitting while I do my thing. No one even knew that he was not my biological child. Only my parents knew the truth. Even some of my extended family thought I gave birth to the boy. A few times he has been admitted in the hospital. I'm the one that usually stay with him while I tell my girlfriend to go home and rest. I bought this guy his first football boot. So many things I cannot even mention again. And whenever anybody asked him who his father was, he would just point at me with a big smile. I never corrected him because in my heart he was my son. 2 months ago, everything changed. Out of nowhere, the biological father resurfaced. Apparently, he has now made money in Canada. Personally, I think it's Yahoo. He told my fiancé that he wanted both of them to relocate and start a new life with him. I thought she would laugh and block him. Instead, she returned my engagement ring just like that. 8 years disappeared in one conversation. She said she was choosing her son's future and that Canada would give him opportunities that I could not provide. The hardest part was that I begged her to let me remain in this boy's life. I wasn't asking her to stay with me because clearly she was a very wicked person who used me, but I just wanted to keep seeing the boy. She looked at me and said the words that have refused to leave my head. She said, "You are not his father." I could not even respond. The same woman who watched me raise him for 8 years suddenly reduced me to a stranger. While she was arranging their things, my boy was crying, asking why daddy was not going to follow them. I could not answer him. I hugged him so tightly because I didn't know if it was going to be the last time. She would not even allow me video call the boy since they left. His bedroom is exactly the same way he left his. His toys are still on the shelf. His tiny football jersey is hanging behind the door. Sometimes I walk into the room and just sit there. People keep telling me that the boy is not my biological son, but that is not true. Some people do not still believe. They just felt like my girlfriend ran away with my son to go and meet another man. I know that love does not always follow DNA, and I'm in so much pain. I met her when she was depressed and helped her get to her feet, and now I'm the one who is not depressed. I'm not the only one feeling it. Even my parents too, they are feeling it. My parents has gotten so used to this boy like their own grandson that they ask me every now and then that have I heard from him? Do I see him or hear from him? I just feel defeated.